Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Wix, how to create your website on Wix for outdoor adventure and gear business, easy and quick. So first type Wix on the search. So as we know, Wix website is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know much about coding. Wix offers various tools to design, add content, and customize your site, making it accessible for people who aren't tech savvy. So first, let's enter the website. Now create a new site. Here, enter the website you create, the kind of website you create. So for example, this. I'll wait to prepare the dashboard. Now enter the store name, any name you want. So next, do you already have a online store? Next, what would you like to sell? Physical products, drop shipping products, services, digital products, and print on demand products. So let's continue. Where would you like to sell? Online store and my mobile app and marketplaces and social media. Uh, now continue to dashboard. Now design the site. Here, how would you like to design your website? If you want to let Wix create a site for you, or if you want to customize design template. So for me, I'm gonna choose this. It's more easier. So now wait a few seconds. And here enter your information, your email, your address, and your phone. And here if you want to add a social link. So let's continue. Pick a theme you like. Now wait a few seconds, preparing the homepage design. Pick your favorite homepage, so for example this. Now if you want to add page to your site, choose page here. Let's continue. Now your site is ready. Here if you want to design more your site, click here, go to the editor. So this is your website. Here the settings of the website. Here you can add elements. So this is the elements. Here the text. You can edit the same text or the title or the paragraphs. Let's move on to the image. Also the same thing here. If you want to looking for something, here you can upload image, you can import image. Here if you want to show more image. So let's move on to the button. The same the buttons, you can edit the same the buttons, the shape or the size of the buttons, the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons, the image buttons, document buttons, and iTunes buttons. Here the payments buttons. So let's move on to the strip and classic, featured, about, services, contact, welcome, and testimonial, and the theme. So that's it. If you want to add something here, let's move on to the decorative. So this is here the shapes, the same lines, the basic shapes, the arrows, the horizontal lines, and the vertical lines. And here the vector art, the featured, the icons, the animals and nature, the logos and the badges, the characters, and here the video box, the video mask, and transparent video. Let's move on to the boxes, the themed boxes, the container boxes, the hover boxes, and the tabs, the gallery. If you're looking for recommended galleries, the pro galleries, the guide galleries, and the slider galleries. And here if you want to show more galleries. So let's move on to the menus. The same the menus, the horizontal menus, the vertical menus. Here the in-page navigation, the anchor, and the in-page menu, the search, the site search. Let's move on to the contact and forms. the contact forms, the order forms, the registration forms, donation forms, application, and the feedback, the requests and the waiver, and the subscribe. All these is forms. So let's move on here. The Google Maps, the maps, and the full width maps, and the last thing is the chat, the Wix chat, and the line. So let's move on to the video and music. Here the video settings. If you want to do single video players, Wix video, video box, video mask, video transparent video, and here the music section, audio players, Wix music, SoundCloud player, Spotify player, and iTunes player. Let's move on to the interactive. The slideshows, the full width slideshows, or the box slideshows, the light boxes, the boxes, and the repeaters. The list here, the repeaters, the over repeaters, the blank repeaters. Let's move on now to the embed code. Here, if you want to custom popular embeds, if you want to do video single player videos, single video players, here the audio settings, SoundCloud player, Spotify player, and iTunes player. Here the advanced settings, the marketing tools, and the Velo dev mode, and animation. This is the last thing here. So the social media, the social media bar. If you want to edit your social media bar, the Facebook or Twitter or Pinterest or VK or Line, or the last thing here is the YouTube bar. So let's move on to the payment settings. Here if you want to manage the payment settings, the CMC if you want to manage your site content, the blog, and the store if you want to edit the store, to manage the store settings, the bookings, and the events, and the community, and the last thing is the design, your designs. So let's move on here. If you want to add section, just select any section here you want. That's it. If you want to add page and menu here, if you want to site design, if you want to design your site, just click here. You can edit the color theme, the text theme, and the page background, and the page transitions. If you want to add more apps here, if you want to edit, manage your business, here you can upload your media. You can upload your media, you can edit images and videos. Here if you want to, if you're looking for free Wix image or free Wix videos, let's move on. This CMS, manage your site content, and the last thing is marketing and SEO. Here if you want to edit this, the Google ads, the Facebook ads, the SEO, and social media marketing, and the marketing integrations. So that's it. If you want to edit, if you want to move the sections, if you want to move it up or move it down, if you want to do a quick edit, and if you want to explore sections layout here, if you want to find out more actions, duplicate the section or delete the section, if you want to copy or cut. So that's it. After you complete or done from editing, designing your website, all you have to do is here click publish, and you're gonna publish your website, easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.